guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. All these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice.
Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the SoundPeats latest wireless noise cancelling earbuds, the Air4 Pro. If you're unaware, SoundPeats have been a consistent player in the wireless earphones game, and the Air4 Pro promises a seamless blend of advanced features such as noise reduction technology, a long-lasting battery, in-ear detection system, and impressive sound quality. So let's check out these features to see if the Air4 Pro falls short or not. The Air4 Pro comes in this impressive sleek box which resembles the Apple AirPods, which I really like the look of. The earbuds come in two different colorways, the ones I have, which is the black with rose gold, and the second is white. I would love to see a matte black version in the future. At the back of the box are a list of the specs,
All these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. All these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta.
Upon opening the box, you are presented with the instructions manual. Below that is the charging case. Then we have two compartments. The first one has the charging cable, and the second has the different sized ear tips. This is an overview of everything that you get in the box. In total, the earbuds come with 3 different sized silicone ear tips, which target small, mid, and large ear canals. The USB-A to USB-C charging cable is relatively short, and straight away I found myself replacing this with a longer cable, as most sockets are not close to the floor, which causes the charging cable to dangle whilst charging. The instructions manual definitely deserves a read, as it outlines the different gestures the Air4 Pros are capable of. Moving on to the case itself, we have the branding at the back and the charging port at the bottom. The case has a unique flattened egg shape with a sparkly finish to it. Personally, I'm not a fan of the sparkles. The case feels durable and seems to be scratch resistant as opposed to the AirPods case which scratches quite easily. And on the side it states, "Here your imagination." Here we have the Air4 Pro and the AirPods case side by side. The Air4 Pro case is a tad bit larger and pretty much they both weigh the same. In my opinion, the AirPods 3 case has a more prestige look to it, however, it is double the price. Every time you open the case, the LED light will display a certain color depending on the charge level. More on that later on. The earbud sits really nicely in the case. The Air4 Pro have an in-ear design to ultimately provide a snug fit to allow active noise cancelling to work its magic. The Air4 Pro have a stem style design with the signature rose gold SoundPeats logo, which looks sleek and modern. The area near the silicone tips has a glossy finish with a 13mm dynamic driver embedded within it. There are 6 mics located throughout the earbuds for clearer voice calls. The Air4 Pro has a similar design to the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro, with the stem being slightly longer. Similarly, the Air4 Pro has an in-ear detection technology which adds a layer of convenience, automatically pausing playback when the earbuds are removed. The wireless earbuds are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon sound chipset, supporting aptX lossless and excellent dynamic spatial audio. This is a great benefit for Android users, but not so much for Apple users. Before using the earbuds, it's recommended to download the SoundPeats app, pair your device with the earbuds, then carry out any necessary firmware updates. The app is very straightforward to use, and that's something I really like. Every time you enter the app, the battery percentage of each earbud is displayed, which is useful. The next setting is to set up and enable adaptive EQ. Just follow the instructions on the screen to set this up if you want to. The next setting is my favorite, and it's a great addition to the package, which is something that the AirPods lack. This is the ability to customize the EQ as well as having pre-installed audio presets depending on the type of sound quality you desire. My favorite is bass boost, as I like listening to music which is bass rich. However, if you don't fancy any of the presets, then fortunately you can fine-tune the EQ yourself. This is a great perk for music fanatics. Then we have the noise reduction settings. This includes one of the biggest selling points for the Air4 Pro, and that is active noise cancelling, which I'll be checking out later on in the video. Alongside that is normal mode and transparency mode. SoundPeats have also gone as far to include game modes, which reduces the latency between your mobile phone and the earbuds to around 88 milliseconds when gaming. I found this feature very useful for myself, as I tend to game on my phone using the Backbone One to play iOS games, as well as PS Remote Play and Xbox Cloud Gaming. This useful addition has negated the need to use wired headphones, reducing overall clutter. Whilst we're on the topic of connectivity, the Air4 Pro is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures faster data transmission speeds, providing a stable and swift audio connection, whilst reducing audio delays. It is evident that SoundPeats have packed these earbuds with features to cater for both music fanatics as well as tech enthusiasts. Lastly, you have the option to enable in-ear detection, which plays the video or music automatically when coming into contact with your ears. That's pretty much a rundown of the entire app, which in my opinion does a great job. It is paramount to select the correct fitting silicone ear tips to provide a more compact fit. This will allow the active noise cancelling feature to perform at its best. The Air4 Pro have a range of different controls, which can make life a lot easier once you become accustomed to them. That's why I highly recommend reading the instructions manual. Out of the box, the Air4 Pro have a hollow sound to them, which I didn't really like. However, as soon as I enabled the bass boost preset, the audio changed drastically. The bass was thick and heavy, just how I like it, making the music experience more immersive. The active noise cancelling on the Air4 Pro is surprisingly robust, especially for earbuds under $100. The active noise cancelling effectively cuts out background noises, providing a quiet listening environment. I tested the ANC mode at the gym and whilst walking through the busy streets of London, and I can confirm the Air4 Pro effectively reduced background noise. However, if you're a person that does not like using active noise cancelling when outdoors, then transparency mode might be the best option for you. This mode allows you to hear your surroundings without over-amplification, or you can go just for the regular normal mode, which I really like. Moving on to the call quality. The Air4 Pro are equipped with 6 microphones, delivering above average performance. The microphone quality is commendable even in noisy environments. Here's a quick test whilst having a fan in the background. I'm just recording my voice using the Voice Memo app. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. How does the audio sound from the Air4 Pro? Let me know down in the comment section below. Do let me know what you think of the audio in the comment section below. Now, let's talk about battery life, a critical factor in any wireless earbuds. The Air4 Pro lasted around 6 hours off a single charge and around 4 hours and 12 minutes when active noise cancelling is enabled at 60% volume. In total, you can expect around 26 hours of battery life whilst using a fully charged case. Sadly, the case does not have a quick charging feature and will take around 1.5 hours to fully charge. Lastly, the price. The Air4 Pro will cost you around £80 or $80, which in my opinion offers excellent value for money. The combination of in-ear detection, great active noise cancelling, robust build quality, and excellent customizable features make it a worthy investment. I've included a link to the Air4 Pro in the comment section below, alongside a discount code if you're planning to pick them up. Okay everyone, if you found this video to be useful, I'd appreciate if you could drop a like and subscribe for more tech-related videos. And until next time everyone, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.